There. Is that a blue square?
I have no idea. Probably.
Probably.
It's not an Ottawa Valley blue square, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, they're a little different here at this time.
Yeah. That's a blue square? Fuck me. I don't know if I can do that.
We're not going to that. No, we're not going to that.
Oh. Oh, okay. You're in the rhubarb!
Fine. And then I'm like, oh, what is it? What takes you so long?
You're in the rhubarb.
Oh my god, I'm hot.
And down. Holy shit. I don't know. I don't quite know how I'm gonna get down this. You show me the way.
Yeah.
You rock, lady. Okay. Here, this way's all right. This way, here. Woo! Double thumbs up, honey. You're almost there.
What?
You're almost there. It looks easy down there. Well, it looks easy down there. It'll be fine. What's that? Yeah. It's probably more mental than anything else. Well, after this run, maybe we go have a little sip of something. This is definitely not a Camp Fortune blue square. That was an adventure, honey. That was a Hobbit Town adventure. Woo. Oh, another one of these. Okay, this isn't too bad. Ah, shit. Wimp. All right. Let's find a map.
What?
Let's find a map. I don't know if there's a paper version somewhere. We made it. Let's go in here. Oh, it was you to say, oh, which way are we going, hon? Keep going straight. That's where we went wrong.
I
Just so you know. Oh yeah.